So, the next what I wanted to touch upon was this whole wave that is happening in India, wherein every kid is now an agency owner. Why is he an agency owner? Because, oh, I know this guy who is paying me this much money, and I like work with one or two freelancers. So now, okay, this is an agency, and everyone writes in their Instagram bio CEO of XYZ agency. So like. Earlier it was that if you want to register a company, it is this whole process. You need 1 lakh in your bank account in minimum amount. You need to go to the registrar of companies, get yourself registered. Now it's just you open an Instagram page and then add in your bio CEO of at the rate and just tag your company, and that's it. That's the whole agency vibe that's going on. And that has given rise to this whole perspective that okay, colleges are not needed. And there is one segment. So there are like very different communities like coexisting together. There is a certain community wherein if you go, all all students over there, they literally have boycotted college. So either they go to college or they don't, but overall they have no respect for college. And they are like that, oh, what will my college give me? A job of 15K? I will as such make like 30K from my freelancing and all stuff, so I don't need that job anyway. That is one community. There is another community which I have seen predominantly like in my surrounding, in my college, which is that these students think that okay, freelancing can give you that initial 30K, but no one knows where the future goes. Like if you are in a corporate job, your chairs change with the amount of time you spend in that. So you know that okay, even if I'm at starting at a base salary of 20K, I will like 5 years from down the line, I'll go here, this would be my position, this would be my promotion, whatever. So these people are like way too serious. So if you go like from first year of college, cat preparations are starting, and they have targeted that okay, I will go to this IIM and all. So from the company's point of view, because eventually everyone has to, like, these are different rivers but they meet together at one same place, which is the recruitment process, the companies. So from the company's point of view, what is the scene going on? Because a lot of, like, we see news coming that okay, companies are now hiring for like without degree and all. And I'll give you a very detailed perspective over here, because I've literally read this a lot. So mostly the companies that I have seen or I've heard of, that say that okay, we hire people without degrees, are 99% tech based companies, and they want to hire coders. And coding is a subject which you don't necessarily require a degree. If the company gives you that okay, code this out, and if you are able to do it, you are hired anyway. So that is something. But that does not mean that okay, if I'm good at marketing, then I'll get a job in let's say a big marketing firm without a degree. We haven't yet reached that stage yet. And then there are like uh, extreme left companies who say that we won't hire people who don't have IIT/IIM tags. Why? Because these are like B2B companies. So when they pitch their like counter clients, they have to sell this idea that hey, all the employees in our team who will work on your project are IIT grads, are IIM grads, and that's how they get those big deals out of these B2B sales. So there are these diverging worlds. What is the reality of the corporate scene going on?
So you totally, I mean, you totally only told the answer, all the answers. So I will elaborate more and I will give my perspective, whatever I have seen in last
Yeah.
5 years, 2 years of my college and 3 years of working. So what I understand from these things happening in the world, and many blur things are happening.
Hmm.
So there are two main things. One is the self-awareness of the person or a student
Hmm.
regarding what or he or she wants to do,
Hmm.
and what his circumstances are, and what he or she feels about his or her family, about
Hmm.
their background.
Hmm.
I will come into this part. Second thing is about the trust. This trust topic is between the customer and the companies. So we'll
Hmm.
talk about the degrees in this part. So first part is about the self awareness. See, I believe, or I think, like, I want to do freelancing.
Hmm.
But in the age of 20 or in the age of 25 also, you don't have certain kind of responsibilities. This is totally my opinion. I'm not
Hmm.
telling you to do these kind of things. So even when I moved out of my engineering, so I was not getting that kind of a high paying job in the market.
Hmm.
So then I thought, like, let's do my own business or let's start something. But
Hmm.
at that time also I didn't have any skill, because at that time digital marketing was a no boom in 2015 and 14, because Instagram just came in 2013 and it started. So not to say I didn't have option, but I was not very much clear. So if a person is very much clear, he or she is very good in something, and they are financially strong, their family is strong, then if they want to do for like freelancing, they don't want to go college, then it's totally their call.
Hmm.
But people like, they have some kind of responsibility and they know the odds of getting successful in freelancing is very less. Then
Hmm.
I think the good path is to choose the college, like many what 95% of the people does. Like
Hmm.
they go to the college, then they prepare for the cat, because maybe they haven't figured out like what are they passionate about. It's
Hmm.
not that also, some people are very passionate about singing, or but still they do an MBA, still they do a masters in something to secure their future. Is totally their way. So one need to realize about themselves, like whatever path I'm choosing, either it's a freelancing or either it's an further studies from the college, it's like 1-0. So now
Yeah.
don't think about the others, what they are doing, and why I am doing this. So
Hmm.
both things are right. It's
Hmm.
not like colleges are bad, because yeah, colleges are minting a lot of money, but the
Hmm.
system is in a such a way that there are very few companies who are hiring without degrees.
Hmm.
So, and when we say few and people are more, so obviously you need to be very super smart and super intelligent in terms of whatever the skill you are looking for to work in that company. So,
Hmm.
when Elon Musk says, I don't bother about any degree or any 10th pass also to come in my company in Tesla and work with me.
Hmm.
So now person like him telling such kind of things, so he will be also looking that kind of person.